Dear taxpayers, welcome to NSDL's ASP portal, your one-stop solution for GST return filing. Hope you have enrolled with us and got the user ID and password for accessing the NSDL ASP portal. In this video, we will demonstrate the process of uploading GSTR1 invoice data on NSDL GST portal. Firstly, go to NSDL ASP website www.nsdlgst.co.in and click on Login. Enter your credentials received post-enrollment and the CAPTCHA. What you are currently viewing is the home page. You can upload the invoices by clicking the Upload Invoice icon or go to the menu bar on the left of the NSDL icon and click on Upload Invoice option from the menu. Once you click on the Upload Invoice option, the Upload Invoice screen will appear. This screen shows both the NGCS file option and the Excel file option of uploading files to ASP. NGCS files can be made from the File Preparation Utility, also known as FPU. The FPU is NSDL's offline utility through which the taxpayers can generate NGCS files in two modes. Data entry mode, generally advised for dealers with less invoice count in a given tax period. CSV file mode, generally advised for dealers with large invoice count in a given tax period. The data entry mode, the taxpayer can replicate the section-wise data entry for outward supplies such as B2B, B2CL, B2CS, etc. The NGCS file can be downloaded from Upload to ASP tab for the relevant section after selecting the tax period. Select the file from the section and click on Save to Computer. In case of the CSV file mode, the taxpayer can configure the ERP or accounting package to provide the output in NSDL CSV file format. The CSV file is consumed by FPU, validated, and JSON is created when the file has complied all the specifications. The NGCS file can be created by clicking the success status. The user can download the FPU exe file, file specification, and the user manual by clicking the link shown in this video. Once the NGCS file is ready, the taxpayer can go to the Upload Invoice page in ASP, select the NGCS file radio button, browse the NGCS file and click Upload. The status of the file post-upload can be tracked from the below table. In case the taxpayer wants to upload the Excel file, he will have to select the Excel file radio button where the data can be uploaded in two modes. GSTN file format by selecting the GSTN option from the drop-down menu and Excel file format, that is sales, CDNRUR, ATTXPD document issued in the drop-down menu. Let's go through the GSTN file format first. In the GSTN file format, the file can be uploaded in the format published by GSTN in their offline utility with slight modifications. Let's have a quick look at the GSTN published offline utility Excel file. It's a plain Excel file with separate worksheets for B2B, B2CL, B2CS, etc. Let's understand the meaning of these relevant sections. B2B. This section records the data for sales with registered dealers, deemed exports, special economic zone transaction with or without payment. B2CL. This section records the transaction with unregistered dealers where the transaction is an interest rate transaction with invoice value greater than 2.5 lakhs. B2CS. Any B2C transaction which is not a B2CL transaction will get reported here in a summarized manner. EXP. In this section, we report transactions where goods and services have actually moved out of India. CDNR. Any credit note, debit note raised to a registered dealer will be reported here. CDNUR. Any credit note, debit note raised to a B2CL or export transaction will be reported here. AT. This section will capture the tax payable on advance received during the tax period. AT adjustment. This section captures the invoices raised for settling advances in the earlier tax period. Doc issued. This is the statistical information table where count of invoices, debit note, credit note, etc. raised are reported. Exempt. It is the summary of nil, exempted and non-GST supplies made to a registered dealer or an unregistered dealer, whether inter or intra. HNC summary. It is a summary of all the HSN and SAC supplied in the tax period. Also, the GSTN file has instructions and the master's worksheet. The taxpayers can use the similar Excel for data uploading. The modifications which taxpayers need to take care is that the headers need to start from line number 1, unlike in GSTN's Excel where it starts from line number 4. And further, NSDL's Excel cannot have masters and instructions worksheet. Validation for rest of the data entered is as per GSTN's offline utility in Excel. This GSTN format can also be generated from accounting packages. Once the Excel file is ready, the taxpayer can click on Excel file radio button in the upload invoice window and select GSTN from the drop-down menu and browse the file. After browsing the file, the taxpayer can click on Upload Sale Invoice tab. Post that, the taxpayer will be getting a system-generated reference number and confirmation of upload. The status of file upload can be tracked from the below table. Any error occurred in the file upload can be tracked from the View Invoice File Status tab by downloading the error log. Additionally, the file formats and the attributes for enabling taxpayers to make error-free files have been mentioned in the user manual available at the NSDL portal. Let's move on to the second format, that is customized Excel file format. Once clicked on the drop-down menu, the options available other than GSTN format are Sales, CDNR UR, ATTXPD, and Document Issue. The primary difference between GSTN format and customized Excel format is that the customized Excel is accepting data at item level, whereas the GSTN format data is accepted at the invoice level. Since the data is captured at item level in customized Excel, HSN, B2CS, nil, exempt summary are auto-generated by the system. Inside the customized Excel format, the various worksheets of GSTN have been classified in 4 broad categories: Sales, CDNR-UR, ATTXPD, and DocIssue. NSDL have released template for all 4 options and the attributes for filling these templates in the user manual. Except for doc issued, all 3 options need to go through custom field mapper. For document issued, the Excel file is same as GSTN format, hence can be uploaded as it is. Taxpayers can have different name in column headers. There is no rigidity to use the same order of appearance and headers till the time attributes mentioned in the manual are being followed. Let's look at a sample sale file and go through a mapping process. Firstly, we need to browse the section-wise file and click Upload to proceed. After clicking Upload, a window will appear before the user asking permission for creating new mapping or use existing. Create new mapping is used when the mapping is done for the first time, and use mapping should be used when the similar file is being uploaded for the same section in the same month or any other month. Once clicked on the Create New Mapping, Mapping Builder table will open, showing the NSDL file format headers on the left and Excel file headers on the right. The taxpayer will have to drag and drop the respective fields and review the mapping done in the Map Field table. All mandatory fields required to be mapped are marked with asterisks. In this table, you can see that customers POS is NSDL place of supply. Customers GSTN header is different from NSDL GSTN header. Once all the fields are mapped, then taxpayer can click on submit mapping and his file will get uploaded. The status of file upload can be tracked from the below table. So these were the various options of uploading the data for GSTR1 to NSDL ASP. Hope this video was helpful for you. In case you have any queries, you may reach us at gsthelpdesk@nsdl.co.in or call us at 020-2567-8300. You can also visit our website www.nsdlgsp.co.in. Thank you.